Hey there everyone, this is Michael with Windy Windows. Thank you for joining the channel. We are back with another clean. This is over in Texas. Very hot one, but it came out so beautiful. After it was all said and done, this customer was so happy. He wants to share this with everyone that he knows. While you are enjoying the video, please hit that sub button, as it is the best way to support the channel and the work that I do. With that being said, we are that much closer to having a sailboat to travel the East Coast and do free cleans for my subscribers, as well as people and places I meet along the way. So come along the journey with me, enjoy the video, and hit that sub button. Thank you, everyone.